All right, guys, once you put the batteries in, turn this to the on position, and this is how you start it. So right here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're checking out EagleStone. This is a piano mat, 8 music keys for kids ages 3 and older. So early childhood education, inspiring creativity, listening, training, and cultivating imagination. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, show you guys what it sounds like, and let you guys decide if you're interested in getting this for your child. Alright, so right away, this is underneath the mat. There's an on and off switch. There is a compartment to put batteries in. I don't know if they have battery supply, so we're going to check that out for you. Alright, they do not supply batteries, so you guys will need 3 AAA batteries to operate this. So let's go ahead, pop these in here. Alright guys, once you put the batteries in, turn this to the on position, and this is how you start it. So right here. You can increase the volume or minus it. So as you guys can see, overall, works good. Make sure you turn it off, and then make sure you turn the power off, and then it can be rolled right back up, just like this. Very simple. Overall, it's pretty nice.